Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So what do we have going on in Ethereum? By the way, if you like these videos, please click on the like button. Please give us some comments. And if you're not already a subscriber and you like what we're doing, please subscribe. We're trying to keep the channel growing. So Ethereum, nice horizontal channel. Higher probability is to the upside. But if we were to close below 907, then major areas we'd be focusing is on a reversal down to 890, which is key, and then the 884. So 884 to 890 are the levels we'd be targeting if it did drop below 907 on a closing basis. Now, the higher probability is if it closes above the level of, what is that? Let me give you the exact level. The level is 937.30. Then I'm really watching this major cluster right here between targets on the horizontal channel and Gann targets projected higher. I'm looking for 960 major cluster area. Then the next major, we have a minor level at 967, but the next major area I'm watching is around 975, where I have the declining 200 simple moving average and another Gann projection. So watch out for that. But let's take a look on the daily chart to see where we stand. All right, so again, we're above the rotation zone. We've pulled back, held at the 50-day. You see that was the low today. You also see if we do trigger the downside, that not 890 also is the rising 8, going to be a very key level. Really not much else to talk about. This 975 is also at the end of this extended clear path, so really pay attention to that level. If we get up there, you should be at least moving stops up around this 960 if you're long. That's a very key place to move your stops. Ripple. We also have a horizontal channels. Again, the higher probability one is to the upside, which would require a close above 113.25. And then the major levels, we're looking for the cluster levels. It would be a stop reduction about 1637, but the major levels would be watching for are to 117 right here. We have a cluster between horizontal channel projections and Gann projections from the low back on the 13th to the high on the 14th, and then eventually returning to about the 119.50 to 120 area we'll be watching for key, and that's only on a closing basis above there. Now, if it were to close below the bottom here about 107, that would also close below the rotation zone. Then we'd be locking minor pullback 103.87, but major level we'd be watching for is this 102.31 with the rising 50-period exponential moving average. That forms a very strong area to watch for a reversal pattern should this drop lower. Let's check in on the daily for Ripple, and see what we look like. Okay, so above the rotation zone, holding right at the low today at the 21 EMA and the key Gann level. Nice little cluster right there and holding above there. Just be wary right at sort of the stop reduction target, this 116 area. We do have the flattening out 50-day exponential, which is also a stopping point before on this major rally candle. So we may see some minor resistance there. So if you are trailing a stop, that might be a good way to move it when it does hit that level. Just move your stop up according to your plan. And then in case it does pull back a little more severely, then you'll at least know where your stop is and what you're going to be doing. So nothing else really to talk about. If this keeps holding flat or moves back up, it looks like we'll get the first cross of the rotation zone on the daily basis, which is a positive thing for Ripple. So we have for you on Ethereum and Ripple, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.